The Court of Appeal, Abuja Judiciary Division has sacked Julius Aburi as the national chairman of the Labour Party. The court, in a ruling on Thursday, recognized Lamido Apapa as the authentic national chairman of the party in a ruling in a suit numbered CA/OW/200/2023 between Sir Basil Madoka as the appellant and the Labour Party Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and Chief Ikechukwu Joseph as the first to third respondent. It is an appeal against the decision of the Federal High Court Owerri Division sitting at Owerri, delivered on 23rd June 2023 by Kwadirije. It was decided by a panel of judges, namely Mori, Asimo, A. Adomi, Joseph, Olubami, K. Oyewale, and Ridawa Adolai of the Court of Appeal. The appeal court recognized the candidates who emerged from the governorship primary election for Imo State conducted by the Apapa-led faction, which was held on April 16, 2023. Ikechukwu Joseph. The applicant had filed an originating summons at the lower courts wherein he summoned the following issues for determination whether the plaintiff is not the winner of the first defendant, the Labour Party, the governorship primary election conducted on Saturday, 15th April 2023 by the first defendant in Imo State for the 11th November 2023 Imo State governorship election, considering the plaintiff's membership card of the first defendant and the plaintiff's receipts and proof of payment of 25 million fee for the first defendant's governorship nomination and expression of interest forms. The applicant sought an order of the Honorable Court directing the second defendant to recognize the plaintiff and publish his name as the rightful candidate of the first defendant for the Imo State governorship election scheduled for 11th November 2023. The action was conducted by the first and the second respondent who filed processes challenging the contentions of the applicant. They stated that the primary election of the first respondent, Lamide Apapa-led primary, took place on the 16th April 2023 as rescheduled by the national leadership of the first respondent, the Labour Party, and that the applicant was not a candidate at the said primary election, which was won by the third respondent candidate of Apapa-led faction. The learned trial judge took argument from the learned counsel for the respective sides and delivered a considered judgment as foresaid on the 23rd June 2023, wherein the applicant was found to lack the requisite locus stand to maintain the action upon which his suit was dismissed. Dissatisfied, the applicant invoked the appellate jurisdiction of the court via a notice of appeal filed on the 6th July 2023 containing 3 grounds. In Thursday's ruling, the appeal court held the issue of the absence of locus standi by the applicant hearing arose in the judgment of the lower courts after both sides had placed their respective affidavits evidence before the court. The learned trial judge would have been remiss at the stage to ignore the affidavits and exhibits placed before the court, which contradicted the posture of the applicant. The applicant failed to show that he participated in the primary election organized by the first respondent, Apapa-led primary election, which was held on the 16th April 2023, from which the third respondent emerged as winner and cannot be held to complain about the outcome thereof. I therefore agree with the lower court that the applicant was bereft of the requisite locus standi to maintain the action, and I resolve this issue against the applicant and the favor of the first Apapa-led Labour Party faction and third respondent. The remaining two issues of the applicant have been remanded academic and shall be appropriately discontinued. In totality, I found no merit in this appeal and I dismiss it accordingly. The court also therefore added that a cost of 250,000 is awarded in favor of the first and the third respondents against the applicant. Court documents obtained by Sahara reporters also revealed that the appeal court noticed that at the hearing of the appeal, there were conflicting legal appearances for the first respondents, the Labour Party, by different legal practitioners. This necessitated a directive by the court to the two legal practitioners involved to file any necessary process, which might assist the court in determining which of them should be accorded right of audience in respect of the first, the Labour Party respondents. So guys, let's hear from you. What's your take on this? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section.